Looks like a dang octopus.
This is for the kitchen lighting circuit. I'm starting to wire up that four-way switch circuit. And what I'm going to do is start that power going in, 3-wire going in. 3-wire comes out, goes to a 4-way switch. Out of that 4-way switch, we take another 3-wire over to a three-way switch, and out of that 3-way switch, we come back out with 2-wire to the actual lights. There's a couple different ways to wire up 4-ways and 3-way switches. As far as the location of the 3-wire and the 2 wires and where the power comes in, you can have the power going to the lights, to a light fixture. You can have the power going to the 4-way. I think easiest way I have done it, power to one 3-way, 4-way goes in the middle, 3-way on the end, and the power going to the lights out of the last 3-way. So you have a 3-way, 4-way, 3-way. That's just kind of the route that the 3-wire, the 14-3, takes. Which one is this? Lead 14-3. 14-3 is over here. Up in here.
Hey, I'm back up in the attic, my favorite place. Got my 14.3, 14.2. Right now, I need to connect. What do I need to connect? I've got 2 switches already connected with 14.3. I need to connect another one. That other connection is going to be up here in the attic, going down the walls instead of up the walls from the basement. Let me show you over on the other side here. This chimney, try not to fall through the. There we go. So, do you see that cavity? You see where the. This is the actual switch, the switched wire that currently goes to the only kitchen light. Well, that switch box is going to get pulled out. It's a single gang box. I'm going to open the hole up to a double gang box and pull this out. So right now I'm just fishing wires. I got to get a 14.3 from here over to the 4-way. Hopefully that makes sense. Got my glove. So I'm just putting this down a hole that used to have some of this old stuff in that I have pulled out. Whew. Well, gotta go back down. All right, 3-wire going down. This is to the last switch. I'll just shove it down in there. Now also going down is the actual switch leg that goes to the light fixture. Alright, gotta go back down and reach in that wall and see if we can find those two. Oh, this is old. There it is. Oh, stretch the back out. Oh, it's cracking. Oh. Whew. What do you think about taking this out? I don't think it's going to be a fun job. I got a feeling I'm going to be taking this out. Oh. Chimney removal service. Oh yeah, baby. Up and away. Oh, my back is killing me. So what I got going on now is this is the kitchen light, which serves as a junction box. This one here is the switch that goes to, well, this is the one I just pulled out of the chimney. This one here goes to that little ceiling fan I took out. This is power coming in, and I really don't know where that one goes yet. But I need to pull this thing up out of here. Got enough slack. I need to delete this and this. I'm going to keep these two intact for now, because they're not kitchen related. And this will flip around and serve as a junction box. But the problem is there's this bar. I don't know if you guys can see this. This bar here that supports this goes underneath and is in between the lath and plaster and this board and that board. So it's not something I can just pry out and take off. I got to cut through it. So as I said earlier, a Sawzall is just too aggressive to be messing around on this lath and plaster. Keep in mind, these are just 2x4s right here, and as I tap on this, I can feel the ceiling bouncing underneath me. It's flexing as I walk around on this. But I think I'm going to put beadboard on the entire ceiling, so if it cracks, I'm okay. Anyways, I got to cut this off. I got an angle grinder right down in the kitchen, but I don't want to be throwing a lot of sparks up here. So I'm going to try this Dremel carbide. Keep in mind this has gone through plaster. Can you see that there? See how it goes under the lath? That's how thick that plaster coat is. That big dip there, they just smooth it right out. So I can't just grab this thing here and yank it up. I've got to do another cut. You can see it's completely bedded into the plaster. So I'm going to chip away at this, try to free it up a little bit to reduce the amount of blowout down into the kitchen. Oh, whew. Not bad, not bad. Take a look at my hole. It's a nice hole, isn't it? Oh, right there. Oh, sorry for the whining, but my knees are toast. Just cutting apart this asbestos tape business here. This junction box I already cut apart, removed three of these cables off of it. I still need to keep it intact for now. But yeah, what was my point? Oh yeah, the asbestos. Jesus. The people, yeah, I got a respirator on. Earlier I actually had my my rubber gloves on, but they're down below, and I don't feel like going back down there to get them. All right, guys, we're all buttoned up in this one. I got a whole bunch of stuff torn out. Whew. Tomorrow I've got to cut in six circles through this plaster ceiling for the recessed lighting. I could technically, I have time to do it today, but I need to get out of this freaking attic and lay down. I think I'm gonna go home, make a cocktail, and go talk to my buddies over at the on the Handyman business. I'm gonna do a live stream because I'm delirious, and I do live streams when I get delirious. Oh my God, I can't feel my feet. See you tomorrow.